bananas in bulk and then leave them on the counter to like ripe and get all mushy and like bitten by chicken pox? Well, I do that. I do that religiously until someone reminds me that those bananas need a makeover. So today we are going to make banana bread. This is a healthier banana bread because we are going to substitute all-purpose flour for oat flour. Oat flour is pretty simple to make. I just make it at home. You just need regular rolled oats and you just blend it or blitz it in your blender. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here is my regular oats. These are just rolled oats, not the quick oats though. So I'm just going to blend it. And that's it. You have your oat flour ready. That's your oat flour. It's a little crummy. You want to leave it with a little bite. So that's our oat flour. So what we need for this recipe, let me go through that first. I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use any kind of sweetener. You can use honey, agave, regular sugar, stevia doesn't work very well. So I do not use any kind of artificial sweeteners. So this is coconut sugar. I have half a cup of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, some cranberries, walnuts, bananas, carrots. We are going to sneak in some vegetables in it, so I have carrots. 1/3 of a cup of oil, you can use butter, and 1/4 of a cup of whole milk. I have vanilla, baking soda, and some cinnamon, or I'm going to use some allspice. And my kids don't eat the banana bread without some chocolate. So here is some chocolate that I've just roughly chopped up. It's just regular chocolate. And my oven is heating at 350 degrees. So first we are going to mush up our bananas. So I'm going to put these aside and we are going to mush up the bananas. So here are my bananas. They are so mushy. So I do not eat bananas if they go black. Yeah, but I religiously buy them and I'll leave them on the counter and I'll completely forget about them. I'm sure a lot of you are like that, like me, like just buy bananas religiously but never eat them. So here are 3 bananas that I'm going to use. And we are going to this, I'm going to add my eggs. 1. So here's my whisk. I'm going to just whisk it up. The milk. And this is super easy. There's no like, don't mix this, don't mix that, wet and dry. It's just everything together. So I'm just going to put my oil in there. My milk. Give it a quick whisk. Sugar. That's just a cup. Because you don't want it too sweet. I don't like it too sweet. And it's going to get some sweetness from the bananas too. So we are good. And now we are going to add the oat flour little by little. First I'm going to add the regular all-purpose flour. Maybe I need a bigger bowl. Just switch to a bigger bowl. And before I forget, I'm going to add the baking soda. The baking soda, it's 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I mix it up with my oat flour and give it a quick mix. And then I'm going to add all-purpose flour to my batter. And then little by little I'm going to add the oat flour. I'm going to switch to a spatula. My angry spatula. Now you can add some cocoa powder to it to make it like a chocolate banana bread, but I'm just going to put like chocolate chunks. And there goes the rest. Banana bread has 50 calories per slice, like no kidding, 50 calories per slice. A regular banana bread would have like 170 to like 200, 250 calories per slice, but this one has just 50 calories per slice. That is like, that's the winner. So I'm going to add my grated carrots. That's one medium-sized carrot grated. So give it a quick mix. And then to this, I'm going to add a little bit of allspice. Now, I don't measure my spices. I just eyeball it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of ground allspice. You can use pumpkin spice too. Cinnamon would be great. Like you can make your own spice too. Nutmeg, cinnamon. I'm going to add a splash of vanilla. Again, I don't measure these things. I eyeball it. Go with what you like. Like if you don't like vanilla, don't put vanilla. If you like vanilla, like we love vanilla, so we put a lot of vanilla. So now I am going to add my walnuts. So I'm going to mix this up. I just added some like rolled oats, just a handful to give it a little crunch. And then we're going to add our chocolate. That's the last one you add. And we are not going to mix that too much. So my oven is heated to 350 degrees. So we're just going to put that in there. This is such a great breakfast or snack. You can also toast it and it tastes really good. So we have that. Just going to give it a quick tap to release all those air bubbles. And we are going to put this inside the oven to bake for a good 30-35 minutes. I'll see you after 35 minutes. So it's been around 30-35 minutes. I'm going to check with the toothpick so the inside comes out clean. Yep, you can see there are no crumbs, there are no wet crumbs. So we are going to bring that thing out. We're going to leave it to cool for a good 15 to 20 minutes before we cut it. It's been like 20 minutes, so I'm going to run my knife through the edges and it should come out pretty clean because we have already greased and floured the pan. So we are going to take that thing out. I'm just going to hold it. Whoa, and you can see it's completely clean. Now I'm going to slice one piece and show you what the inside looks like. So you can see the carrots, the banana carrot bread is ready for breakfast or for snack. Enjoy!